Driving like the narco. Got dope like Pablo. Got dope like Pablo. Chop trees with the Draco.
Alright, long time since I fucking made a video. We got the vert today. Alright, we're gonna be doing a
K&N Typhoon cold air intake.
And also I gotta fix his oil pressure sensor. Oil pressure sensor went out. We're gonna replace it. And I dropped my vape. Alright, so I don't know where we left off at. Oil pressure went out. Gotta replace it. Gonna let the car cool down. Gonna install the cold air intake, K&N Typhoon. And he has it kind of laid out. And we got the sick ass carbon fiber food. So gonna take off his front bumper partially, let it hang off, or he doesn't have undershield, so we're just gonna take everything off and let the car cool down, and we'll start from there. Alright, got too excited, got ahead. We could get away without taking the whole bumper off, so this is good enough. It had the little cup thing. It was right here. Nope, it was like a clip. Took it off, pulled it out. That's good, you don't need it no more. Then I just took the airbox to take one out. Most of everything's a 10 mil. There's one right here, took that bolt off. So we're here. Now I gotta loosen the intake hose clamp and make sure you unplug your mass airflow sensor. He lost the bolt, or the clip broke, so he zip tied it on. And yeah, that's it. That's all I can think of. And loosen this part, then we should be Gucci. Alright, so I unplugged it, and I loosened that part too. So now all you have to do is pull up, and now we just drag it out. Wait, I take that back. I'm gonna take this part off. Oops. Alright, so there is one more bolt over here. It's right behind the little plastic cover, and the hose will be underneath the tube. You'll need to disconnect it. It's really easy. And now we're about to slap the new one on, and it's only took us like 5 minutes to take everything out. It's really easy. And I've done it like 6,000 times, so we good. Alright, now we'll grab the stuff. Here's what it's gonna look like. I don't know to call it if it's like a true cold air intake. But it does have a box to cover, and it comes from here, so it is sucking air from out here. But we'll figure it out when we run it. I almost forgot. You're gonna need to get safety screws. Good thing I had a pair from John, other John, not this John. Then you're gonna put it to your intake. Drop it in, cause just one way. Then put the new screws in before you put everything back on, so you won't forget. Yep, we're good. Alright, so this back piece over here, just put it on, slide the new clamp in, and don't forget your mass airflow sensor. Have that in, and now we should be able to slide this bitch in. Pull this back a little bit. Oh god, it's hot. Fuck, it's hot.
Don't you need to close it when you jack it?
No. Oh, okay. Anyways, we got the bumper back on. We got the new turbo. Another fucking intake, I know.
I wish it was a turbo.
Yeah, we got the fiberglass, and yeah. This part was a bitch. This one is a bitch. Well, we'll test it out, see how it is after. But after I finish the oil pressure sensor, it's underneath, but when we're done, we'll go. Alright, we just got done with the car. Intake on, oil filter fixed, lost a little bit of oil, so we refilled it. Go ahead. Alright, now we're gonna go for a test drive and see how it feels after. Damn, Mexico's busy today. Alright, see how that intake acts.
Well, you can hear it.
Yeah. You like it a lot so far?
It's fucking nice.
How does it feel than before?
It's a lot more like sensitive.
More sensitive?
Yeah.
So better throttle response. Yeah. We're gonna let him drive a little bit more, then we'll switch turns and I gotta teach him how to drive.
Oh shit.
Driver mod secrets. I won't show y'all.